what I want to create now, the look I want to create now is a low bun at the back of your hair, if you have an attachment or anything you want to use. So let's start. First of all, while I was giving tips on the other video on how to grow your hair, I already showed the various steps on my hair by moisturizing my hair and spraying it with water, oil, and or whatnot. So I'll just go ahead and apply cream on it. This is shea butter. I use this almost on daily basis on my hair. Massage my scalp and apply it all over my hair as well. When I'm applying oil or anything on my hair, I make sure I am very generous in front of my hair, because then this is like when you're combing, the first thing that attracts someone about your hair is your hairline. So you don't want to have long hair behind and your edges are looking empty and scanty. So I always try to massage and apply everything that I have on my hair. Massage my edges very well to stimulate my pores. My scalp will be heated and everything will grow easily. So that's another tip. So we are back. It's been 15 minutes or so and I really have to rush somewhere, so let's continue the hairstyle. So now I'm going to take off the scarf. It's not dry per se, but manageable. Ooh, baby, it's looking all laid. Wow. So now I'll grab my hair attachment, this one. If you haven't seen the video on how I made this myself, do check it out. So now I'll just go ahead and attach it to my own bun. I've been using it forever, so the bun is already weak and stretched out. So I'll attach my bun like this to my own bun, and the excess I'll just go ahead and secure it on my own bun about 3 to 4 times because the elastic is already weak, like this. And then I'll go ahead and adjust the hair. And also try to cover everything at the middle so that my own bun doesn't show. Now, since my own bun is really small at the back, I have to secure the hair with some bobby pins. I made this attachment in November last year and I've been using it since then. You can see it's really economical, and also if you don't have a means of buying the clip-ins, I think this is nice. I made it from Afro Kinky hair extension. Yes, so this is the final look. I'll come closer. You have the side, the front, and the back. So I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video.